Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In this video, I'll be giving you guys 5 different ways you can use earthworm castings in your garden. Before anything, I want to give a huge shout out to Life Cycle Organics for working with us on this video. They provided the earthworm castings for this video, and also we have a huge giveaway towards the end of the video, so please stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Guys, the first way you can use earthworm casting is to amend your soil. As you guys may or may not know, once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be opening back up the Ultimate Gardening business, and it's key to amend your soil when creating new plants. So the thing I do is I use 2 scoops of the Life Cycles Organics earthworm castings, because a little can go a long way when amending your soil. So I prefer you use 2 scoops when amending your soil. Of course, you could go ahead and use this for in-ground planting when you're going to be planting your tomatoes or any stuff like that, but we'll get more into detail because that's actually our next way you can use earthworm castings. So just mix it up, and then that's amending your soil really quick, really fast, and it'll be really effective, trust me. So let's go ahead and move on to the next way you can use earthworm castings. So guys, the second way you can use earthworm castings is when you're going to be planting a new plant. I'm going to be using the Proplugger to do or dig the holes for the new plant. And if you guys are asking, yes, they will be partnering with us on this giveaway later on in the video, so please stay tuned for that. So when doing the new plants, so as you guys can see, I made a wonderful hole right here for the new tomato plant. So when you put the earthworm castings, you just want to do a little tiny sprinkle, because that will be enough for the tomato plant. So we're going to be potting this up right here like so, and then refilling it back up with soil, patting it down, and it's that easy. So highly recommend the Proplugger and the earthworm casting. So let's move on to the third step. So guys, the third way you can use your earthworm castings is to fertilize your vegetables. Earthworm castings are great for organic gardening because it's a great alternative to other fertilizers, so this is a great solution. When fertilizing your vegetables, in case we'll be using a tomato here, the Sweet 100, we're just going to be sprinkling a tiny bit in the outer, where the main stem is located, like that, a little tiny bit, and then we're going to be roughing it up in the soil. And then you want to water it down so the fertilizer could be activated and to feed your plants. So that's basically it. It's really easy. Highly recommend it. Now let's move on to the fourth way. So guys, the fourth way to use your earthworm castings is to fertilize your flowers. Fertilizing your flowers is a great way to help them grow and flourish and to perform amazing for you guys. So the same thing goes when we did the vegetables. It's the same thing for the flowers, except you have to be more delicate because the flowers are way more delicate. And like, we can't get to the middle main center of the plant. We're just going to be putting it where the main roots could be located, all around the root area right here, sort of like giving it in a circle so it could be evenly distributed. And once again, we're going to be roughing that up into the soil and then watering that in. And it's that simple, and then you'll be seeing in the next few weeks it's going to be performing and setting a lot of flowers for you guys. So let's move on to the fifth and final step. So guys, the fifth and final way you can use your earthworm castings is to fertilize your fruit trees. Fertilizing your fruit trees is a good recommendation I give you guys, so they can perform amazing and give you a lot of fruits. So with the fertilizing your tree, you're gonna have to go, of course there's gonna be a visible main stem here. So when fertilizing it, you're gonna sprinkle a fair amount, because like, trees are way more bigger than vegetables and flowers. So we're gonna be sprinkling a good amount like that, and then once again we're going to be roughing that up in the soil and make sure to get that in the roots, and then water it in for it could be activated. So that's basically it for all the ways you could use the earthworm castings. Now let's go ahead and talk about the exciting part, the giveaway. So guys, now the exciting part, the giveaway. So it's very simple to enter the giveaway, but I partnered with the Proplugger company and the Life Cycle Organics company to host this giveaway. There'll be 2 lucky winners in this giveaway, you guys. The first lucky winner will be winning 3 bags of the Life Cycle Organics earthworm casting, and the other winner will be winning 1 Proplugger. So I'm really excited about this. So the following steps you have to do in order to enter this giveaway is, first you have to like this video, Second, you have to be subscribed to the Ultimate Gardening channel. Third, you have to be following Life Cycle Organics and Proplugger Company on Instagram. Their links are down below in the description box below for you guys to check out. And fourth, you have to comment down below your favorite thing to grow during the spring season. I'm really excited, you guys, and there'll be 2 weeks span for you guys to enter this giveaway. The giveaway will end in next Tuesday. The official date will pop up on the screen for you guys to check out. And so yeah, that I'm really excited, and I want to give a huge shout out to both companies for working with us on this video. It means a lot to me personally. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. Once more, a huge shout out to the Proplugger Company and the Life Cycle Organics Company for working with us on this video and the giveaway. All their social media links will be down below for you to check out. Highly recommend both companies. I would recommend to go support them. But before anything, and before we wrap up this video, I want to give a huge shout out to a special kid in this industry. His name is Sammy, and he has a mild form of autism. And he has a channel in this industry, and he's doing amazing. So if you want to go support his channel link will be up here for you guys to check out. His channel name is Back to Plants. His goal is to reach 100 subscribers, so hopefully we could help him get to his goal. So yeah, so highly recommend him. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all for watching this video, and don't forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.